I like to talk about money. So here's what I say. If you want to be a working actor, you got to have the hustle. Hustle's a big thing. So you got to split yourself in two. How many agents are there in Florida? How many agents? In Boston? Well, in this market right up here, Tampa. How many agents in Tampa? Anybody know? Do you know? In Boston, we have 5. We're like a small market. So I tell the Bostonians, listen, you have an agent. Maybe you do, maybe you don't, because in Boston, you don't really have to have an agent. But you need to become your own manager. You need to split yourself in two, and you need to be spending at least 4 hours a week on looking for auditions, because auditioning is your job. Getting the job is a perk. So it's a numbers game. You get 16 auditions. Out of that 16, lucky if you get 1 or 2 callbacks, and you might get the job. And if you don't, you've just met 16 new casting directors and 16 new producers that know you. And as far as the cookies, not that we condone we want you to spend money on us, but we do love cookies. What's even better than that is if you put your headshot under the plate, so when everybody finishes the cookies, there you are, right? In the Michael Shirtleaf book on auditioning from the 70s, because that's the book I read when I was an actress a long time ago, he used to say that there was an actor that wrapped his headshot, a couple of his headshots around a bouquet of flowers and dropped it off again. So stupid things like that. You know, you have to be on I still like the postcards. I know that's so 80s, but I love a good postcard in my mail. So just those things so we remember who you are. But it's all about a hustle. And if you don't have a hustle, if you think you're in this business because your mother said you're pretty and because you think you can dance good, honey, no, it ain't happening. It's all about the hustle. So you better get your tail ready for the hustle because it's a numbers game. What you put out is what you're going to get back.